Moving to a new country can be a difficult experience. New food, new language, new culture. It can be overwhelming and even scary. Adventists in South Korea wanted to create a space to help people integrate into the country while feeling supported. The Adventist Multicultural Family Service Center is an urban center of influence situated in a diverse area in the city of Ansan, where many foreigners come to work. Most of them don't know how to speak, read, or write the Korean language when they arrive, so the center offers free Korean language courses. More than 400 people go through this program every year. A few years ago, the staff at the center developed a plan to improve and expand their operations. This new plan offered a holistic experience to others in the community. Some of the most widely used services are the center's various shelters. These include an emergency shelter for those who have no income or housing, and group shelters for single parents. The families who stay in the shelters are offered free meals as well as safety. Many of the foreigners don't know how to navigate the healthcare system, so the center provides free dental care services once a week and general medical treatments once a month. Additionally, visitors have access to counseling services. As a result of the center's presence in the community, a number of new congregations have formed in a variety of languages. Groups meet and worship in Russian, English, Urdu, Chinese, and Korean. They have been blessed with up to 30 baptisms in a single year. The center has a heavy focus on children and youth. First, a kindergarten was established. Then, an after-school program was created for elementary students. This gave parents a place to send their children for tutoring and after-school care. For the parents who needed to work late, the center established a night protection care program where children would be supervised until 9 o'clock in the evening. The Korean-Russian School Academy for elementary and secondary students is especially popular. There are more than 60 students enrolled. The staff at the center see new, exciting opportunities to connect with families, but they need your help. This quarter, a portion of the 13th Sabbath offering will help provide other care services for immigrant children in Ansan, South Korea. Please consider what you can give to this opportunity. Thank you for supporting the 13th Sabbath offering. After nearly 65 years without much growth, the members of the Puli Seventh-day Adventist Church in Taiwan knew they needed to try something different. In the past, they took a casual approach to outreach activities. This usually meant hanging a poster on the wall to announce an event and hoping church members would show up. Time and time again, almost no one showed up. In 2016, church leaders called upon the members to brainstorm new ways to connect with the community. Church members caught the vision and decided that health education was a major need in their town. They began mingling and developing relationships with their neighbors. At the local community center, they started hosting exercise classes. They even established a 5-day camp for children to attend during the winter and summer holidays. About 20 kids attended each time. In 2018, the church collaborated with the Health Promotion Department of Taiwan Adventist College and developed the Health 100 course, which promotes a holistic approach to health. Cooking classes, therapeutic massage workshops, and other events have blessed many people in Puli. People's health was improving as a result of these efforts, but church members wanted to do more. They created an after-school reading class for disadvantaged families. The church has helped 12 children from 6 families improve their reading skills. English classes and music classes have been very popular with about 20 students. The church quickly transformed from a building used once a week into an active urban center of influence. There's demand for more classes, but there isn't room. Church members in Puli pray for a new space to offer more classes and workshops. They have plans to continue expanding their ministry. Through Christ Method, they went from being a church with no growth to an influential voice in the community. This quarter, the 13 Sabbath offering will help build 3 new urban centers of influence in Taiwan. Your contribution will make a difference in the lives of people across this territory.